But first, here's What's Hot, brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart. The World Health Organization says it no longer considers COVID-19 a public health emergency of international concern. However, the WHO's Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus warned that COVID-19 is still a global health threat and urged countries not to let their guard down. The Director General highlighted the decreasing trend in deaths and hospitalizations and high levels of population immunity against the virus as reasons for the downgrade. WHO had declared COVID-19 a pandemic on March 11, 2020. Sagicor Group Jamaica says reestablishing Alliance Financial Service as a major player in the cambio remittance and bill payment arena is a top priority for 2023. Sagicor Group acquired AFSL last year after the company was suspended by the Bank of Jamaica because of charges against its former principals. The suspension meant Alliance was no longer allowed to operate as a remittance and cambio. This resulted in utility companies barring Alliance from collecting bill payments. Sagicor Group said it will be embarking on an aggressive growth strategy for AFSL to increase its cambio and remittance locations island-wide. The company also noted that it intends to transform AFSL into an instant payment provider for all utility companies and Sagicor Life. The Jamaica Public Service Company says it raked in $1 billion in revenue in 2022. JPS said its profits were up 28% last year to $54 million US. The company noted that Russia-Ukraine war propelled fuel costs globally, bumping the cost of a kilowatt of electricity to 40 cents US in 2022, up 17.6%. In its annual report, JPS said that electricity sales rose 3% last year as the country continues its recovery from the pandemic. However, JPS said the increased demand was still 3% lower than 2019. Filming on TV shows and movies halted last week as more than 11,000 members of the Writers Guild of America went on strike. The writers are demanding higher pay and better working conditions, noting that many of them cannot support themselves with writing alone. The writers are negotiating with studios over the use of AI tools like ChatGPT, calling for regulation on the use of AI on union projects. They want to make sure that AI can't write or rewrite material, among other human tasks. The last major writer strike in 2007 lasted 100 days and cost the Los Angeles economy over $2 billion US. What's Hot was brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart.